Welcome to Journeys with Jason George, episode 24, Underwater with Loons and a few fox kids. Because why not? Because I've never seen foxes so small and so young. Well, let's dive in. Have you ever seen a loon? Yeah, you know that animal that's on the back of that loony? We've all held one of these before. Well, this is the animal that's on most of them. It's a loon. And most of the time when we see them, we hear them, and their sound, it's just absolutely amazing. Most people reminds them of being up north in cottage country, but it's really hard to photograph them. And oftentimes they're looking for food, so we've got to go down and chase them. But they'll sit there for a little bit, but yep. Well, let's watch this one as it swims. It just uses its 2 feet, and it's so powerful how quickly it can move. And this is the reason that the loons have actually come. They're looking for these fish. Unfortunately, I've noticed over the past couple years that this fish supply is becoming less and less. And the loons, they keep coming back. I wonder what's stopping the fish. But I do enjoy watching the loons, because they're absolutely stunning. Yeah, most of the time you might see 1, maybe 2. But when you go to this spot has sometimes 20, maybe 30 loons. And they're all interacting. Yeah, it's almost like this is where they come to meet their partner for the summertime. And just hang out. Have you ever seen a loon? How many loons have you seen? How about together? Well, good luck trying to find them. They're absolutely beautiful when you do. And maybe you'll get to go underwater with them. Or maybe at least see them swimming, because that's when they're at their finest. It's crazy how graceful they move through the water. They're so sleek and just majestic in the way that they move. And I don't even think they're looking right directly below them when they go underwater. It seems like they're looking far in the way. So I wonder how good their eyesight actually is. It's probably pretty amazing. But, the way that they just move through the water, just so smoothly, sometimes barely a ripple. All ducks do this. Bang, gone. Look at it. It just flies through the water. I've noticed that when they go under, they hold their breath for about 30 seconds or so. Good stretch after a swim is always needed sometimes. Man, I could watch loons all day. They're just so majestic. And it's interesting to watch the way that they actually interact with each other. Because occasionally they'll duck their heads low, and they start chasing each other. Most of the time, though, if you've got the right gear, you can actually see them swimming underwater. And it's so beautiful. If you get down nice and low with them, you can just be on their level. Look at how sleek they are, just the way that the light reflects off them. 2 pushes and it can be gone. It gets scared and it just goes the other way. Whoa, this one's running on water. What's going on? Hey, I wonder what caused that. Maybe it's dinner time. Oh, wait, there's one. Go get it. Yep. Oh, you got it. Good job. Oh, wow. I wish it was a little bit closer and maybe had the other angle, but I wonder why he's washing it. He dunks it a few times and go. Off to go and get another one. Oh, not so successful this time. Or maybe you just got a little one. Oh, just needed a stretch. After a nice meal? Wait, it's probably not the same loon. I'll probably lose it as it goes underwater. I still remember in 1987 when we changed to the loony. We went from paper money and we put the solitary loon floating on the water on a coin. Soon after that, we got a toonie. As graceful as the loon is underwater and on the water, when it's out of water, it's not that graceful. So it'll actually build its nest close to a body of water so it doesn't have to walk too far or waddle. Sort of like the penguins. Oh, man. Beautiful birds, both penguins and loons. Have you ever seen a penguin? Oh, wait. Do you see that green stripe? And do you see the red eyes on the loon? Did you know that they actually will change colors of plumage and even eye color in non-mating season? Yeah. Their head dips and swimming together is all part of their courtship program and how they find their mate. They'll do a little head dip sometimes. They'll start calling to each other. Man, what absolutely stunning birds. And look at how low down to the water they can get. It's almost invisible to the eye. But as I was saying, they're red eye. Whoa, what just happened? Oh, was he just attacking that one? Whoa, this guy's running on water. Oh, maybe that's part of the whole courtship thing. Yeah, I have a feeling that when they run on the water in certain circumstances, it's part of their courtship and one might be playing with the other one underwater. But I haven't been able to get close enough. But on the way home, I stopped to see a fox. And wow. When it looked back, I looked back. And out of the bush appeared one, two, maybe a week old baby kids. They came out for a little bit and they played. And I got some cool video. I actually realized that it wasn't 2 foxes, but actually 3 of them. And they played for a little bit before Mom went off and walked away. But these were pretty cool moments I got to witness. You ever seen a baby fox? You ever seen one this small? Yeah. Mom's off. They're gone. Mom grabbed a quick little bite to eat or something. And then she went off to find more food for them. Well, until next time, stay safe, have fun, and enjoy the wild life. Don't forget to subscribe.